jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this little holiday look. I did the little light things and some colorful freckles, a red lip of course. I just wanted to do something fun and festive, and I kind of want to do a lot of these looks during this month because I love the holidays and just any excuse to like be creative, you know what I mean? I saw this look a million times on Instagram, so I didn't come up with it by myself. Also, I have a missing gel. I peeled it off because it started lifting and I started biting, and it's just who I am, and now I regret it, but I have an appointment in a couple days, so. But yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and just keep on watching. Starting off, I'm taking this brown shade from my Morphe Boss Mood palette, and I'm just using that as my transition shade. You can honestly use any brown, it does not matter, just run something through your crease. Now I'm just taking this darker brown here, and I'm going to use that to deepen my crease with a smaller blending brush. Next, I'm taking this red shade, and you could honestly just skip this part. I try to warm up my eyelids, but at the end of the day, you couldn't really see it, so waste of time, but I wanted to put it in here anyways. Now I'm taking this highlight shade from my Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. Now to cut my crease, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm creating a pretty big crease. My crease is not that big, but I needed the lid space, so I just created it, if you know what I mean. Next, I'm just taking this white shade from the KKW and Makeup by Mario palette, and I'm just putting that everywhere that I put the Shape Tape. Now taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm using this yellow, and I'm creating the lights on my lid. I actually changed them to different colors, but you'll see later. Now I'm taking the red, and I am just dotting one of those on the upper brow bone area, and then I do the same thing with the green and then also with the blue. I just put that on my brow bone, and then I also changed two of the yellows to I think red and blue. Then I'm taking my NYX Matte Ink white liner, and I'm just drawing the dots for the lights. And now I'm going in with my Tarte Double Take eyeliner, and I'm just drawing the crease or defining the crease. This part was actually so hard because I'm freaking blind, so you'll see right now I have to get so up close to make the lines into the lights, but you know, hard work. Now I'm just drawing a wing, and I am going to be connecting that right to the top. Now I'm going back into this red shade, and I'm really blowing out my lower lash line. I also take a black liner and put that in my waterline, and also add some Dubai Makeup Shack lashes. Now I'm just contouring with a Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm using that middle shade. Definitely need a new one, but I'm just contouring my cheekbones, jaw, nose, and forehead. Now I'm taking this blush, and I'm putting that on my cheeks and also rubbing that on my nose. Now I'm going back in with the red, and I'm actually going to blend that into my blush and blow it out. I also add that on my nose just to be a little extra. Now I'm taking my NYX Dewy Finishing Spray and just setting all those powders in. Then I'm taking this Laura Mercier translucent highlight. It's called Candlelight, and I'm just putting that on the high points of my cheeks. This highlight is so good, and I never used it. It's been sitting on my desk for literally almost a year, but I love it. Now I decided to draw faux freckles, but I'm actually using colorful colors, so I went in with red, green, and blue and just drew some faux freckles that way. And lastly, I'm taking my Rihanna lip paint in the shade Uncensored, and I'm just drawing in my lips, and that is it. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it down below, and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in jingle bells. everywhere.